this is going to be a quick one. I'm ready for work and I'm going to have to get going soon. But I just got my IPSY. So let's just open it right away and see what's inside. I love their cute little pink packaging. There's a brush from, it looks like Anastasia. Nope. Well, it's an SG62. It's clear. I think everyone got the orange bag this time. So let's start with this. I got the Professional Pearl Primer from Benefit. It comes in like this little tiny, if I can get it open, real tiny bottle. You can see, like real small. But I'm sure it'll last for a little bit. And then I got this lychee and gold healthy glow rose gold blush by Seraphine Botanicals. It comes in this little kind of shiny box. It says rose gold. Pull it out and see what it looks like. So that's kind of rose goldy. Let's swatch it real quick. Oh yeah, yep, it's hard to see on my camera, but it's definitely a rose goldish type color. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I like that. All right, what else do I have? This Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. It's called Hey Honey. It's for all skin types. I'm not a big fan of masks, but that's okay. The Black Tea London Classic Serum. It's an anti-aging skincare. More skincare. Not that from Tony Moly. I don't know. And not that I don't like skincare, but I also said I didn't want skincare, so I'm not sure why I got so much skincare and not, like, I got one thing of makeup and a brush. That's a little disappointing. So this was my IPSY for this month. This is my first month doing IPSY. I might need to go back on and see if I can change, you know, some stuff around, because I'm not sure about this. But I don't know, give me your guys' opinions. I have to get going to work, so I'll see y'all later. Bye.